Hello, my name is Alan Lane. I'm the executive chef at Tamarisk NorthShore. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to prepare Asian glazed salmon for you. In this recipe, we'll be using fresh ginger, garlic, freshly squeezed lemon juice, parsley, a little garnish of cilantro. All of these combinations help bring out the flavor in so many dishes. So right now, we're going to start with the sauce. To make this one, I feel is real simple. We're gonna start with some 3/4 cup brown sugar, just a teaspoon of fresh garlic. Just break up the sugar and the garlic. Then we add a tablespoon of fresh ginger. We saute it around, give it a little caramelization. Then we're gonna add some hoisin sauce. Just about a 1/2 cup of hoisin. The hoisin sauce is a traditional Cantonese sauce, and it brings out, gives you the authentic flavor of Asian cooking. And we're gonna hit it with a little soy sauce. If you notice, I have everything pre-portioned out. It makes it easier to operate in the kitchen if you have all your ingredients out. We call it mise en place in the culinary world. It means all things together. Then we're gonna add some lemon juice. Just a tablespoon of lemon juice. Just the acidity breaks down the salt that comes along with the hoisin and also the soy sauce. And don't be afraid of the soy sauce. It's a low sodium soy sauce. Then we just add a pinch of crushed red peppers. Help balance out the flavor in the sauce. Now with this sauce, we let it simmer until it becomes thickened. So there's no thickening agent. Naturally, it thickens on its own, along with the sugar, because it's the sugar that helps break it down, along with the hoisin sauce as well, and it just caramelizes and transforms into a glaze. So right now I'm going to take some flat leaf parsley and we're going to use it for our julienne vegetable blend. Nice fine chop, help to release a lot of the flavors, and it smells very nice. So right now we're going to start sauteing the vegetables for our vegetable blend. I'm going to start with the onions. Well, we're going to add a little oil. Once again, sauteing. Make sure the pan is hot before you add the oil. Helps move along the process. The flavors come together so well, combined with the freshness of the herbs and the citrus, along with the glaze. Then we're going to add our carrots. Then our yellow squash. And our zucchini. One of the key things that I like about it is the beautiful colors combined together. It makes it so attractive to eat food that looks good. So our vegetables are almost ready. We're gonna add some fresh chopped parsley to it. And we're done. So right now, we're gonna cook our salmon. This is Alaskan wild caught salmon. We're gonna add a little olive oil to our pan. Just heat up the oil a little bit. When you're searing the pan, always make sure that the pan is hot before you add the oil to it. And when you're grilling salmon in a pan, you always grill skin side down first. Now, if you notice, I didn't add any seasoning to this because of the glaze. The glaze has enough of pretty much everything in it. So that's gonna coat and be the base for everything. That's why I said the natural flavor of the salmon being seared as is plain, then adding the glaze to it, it adheres to it very well. Also, like I said earlier, the salmon doesn't take long to cook. It's a very easy fish to prepare. Not a lot of seasoning do you need for this fish, even when you're doing it regular. All you need is a basic little salt, a little pepper, throw a little herbs in there, fresh rosemary, something like that. It goes a long way with this. It takes no more than 10 minutes at tops. Tops 8 in between. Get you a nice fish. We want to get a nice golden brown color on the fish. With the salmon, it's easy to do because of the nice pink color. Just to give it a nice color all the way around. So as you can see, our salmon is nice, got a nice golden. What we're gonna do now is gonna add the glaze to it and finish it off in our skillet. So you just want to baste it as so. Flip it over, turn it to the other side. Nice baste. It only takes a few seconds in the skillet. Then we're going to set it to the side. And get ready to plate. First, we're going to start with our brown rice. Then our nice julienne vegetables. And our nicely prepared salmon. For this, we're going to hit it with a little more glaze just to shine it up. Garnish it with some cilantro leaves and a green onion flower. And there you have it, a glazed Asian salmon. Thank you for joining me in this cooking demonstration. I look forward to seeing you at the Tamarisk NorthShore.